everybody, welcome back to my tiny kitchen. I'm Quintana and I am very excited to share this week's recipe with you. It is super simple to make. It's so crazy delicious and it's fast. It's a fast dinner to throw together. So without further ado, let's get started making chicken with white beans and tomatoes, but oh so much more. All right, so now to begin, the first thing you're going to do is heat your oven to 425 and grab a 9 by 13 inch baking dish to put all of this delicious goodness, starting with 2 cans of cannellini beans or white beans. You can use more, you can use another can because these beans are going to get, everything is going to get so delicious, just wait. So drained and rinsed, you're going to have 2 cans. I just used 2 cans. Then we're going to use a pint of cherry tomatoes. To make it even easier, you can just throw the tomatoes in whole. I like to cut my tomatoes in half because then the juices ooze out and make everything even that much better. So you're going to do that. Then maybe 4 to 6 sprigs of fresh, delicious thyme, the same amount of fresh, delicious oregano. And, you know, I like my garlic, so this is 4 cloves. Use as much or as little as you want. 4 cloves of garlic smashed. And I like heat, so about a 1/4 teaspoon or more of crushed red pepper. And, of course, the star, the chicken. Now, I used to make this with bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, and it's delicious, but I've been really into chicken legs lately. So if you're going to use thighs, you can use like 4 to 6. For chicken legs, you can probably use about 6 to 8 legs, and just make sure you pat them dry before you put them in the baking dish. So these are all your ingredients. We're also going to use, obviously, salt, pepper, and some olive oil. Okay, get ready for the easiest, most delicious recipe ever. We're going to just empty your white beans right in there, tomatoes right on top. Distribute your thyme and your oregano and your garlic. Don't worry, everything's going to get mashed up and happy together. And then finally our crushed red pepper. Now we're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil all around, and some salt and pepper. I like to use kosher salt. Got that. And now just mix it all up so everything gets happy together, all the flavors are mixing together, and you're making a nice, delicious bed for your chicken legs. All right. Once we got that taken care of, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our chicken legs, nice and happy, in the pan together. And then we're going to add about another tablespoon of olive oil to each of our chicken legs to get the skin nice and crispy. And don't worry, you're going to rub all that in too. Then we're going to season these guys with salt and pepper. Don't be afraid of seasoning. And then give them a little massage. Rub all that good stuff in. Make sure you're getting all the skin so it can get nice and crispy and delicious in the oven. That's going to be a nice piece. All right, And that's literally it. It's already beautiful, but now we're going to put it in the oven and it's going to get even more beautiful if that's possible. You're going to put it in your preheated oven, 425 degrees, for about 35 to 45 minutes. And then we'll come back and see the magic. Ooh, now it's out of the oven. It's been resting for several minutes. Isn't it beautiful? The chicken and the skin, it's golden, it's crispy, and you can see all the crispy edges around the tomatoes and the beans. You can smell the thyme and oregano. It's going to be so delicious. And how do we know? We're going to do the taste test. And right now I'm just going to do a little bit of my favorite part, which are the tomatoes and the beans, because they're so yummy. So let's do a little taste test of this. My mouth is already watering. Oh my gosh. The beans, like, everything kind of melts in your mouth. It is so delicious. I can't wait to see if you guys make it. I mean, right? It's so simple, it's so easy, it's so quick. You just toss it all together and then you have these amazing, delicious flavors burst in your mouth. Please let me know if you try to make this. Tag me, show me pictures. I love seeing all of it. Comment down below on recipes that you'd like me to try, your favorite recipes that you'd like me to try. I'd love to. Remember to like and subscribe and tell your friends, pass the word along, and I will see you next week back in my tiny kitchen.